If you are looking for the best ratchet straps, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Augo Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. These Augo ratchet straps are about as simple as you can get. When it comes to securing light or medium loads, coming in at 15 feet, the ratchet tie-downs have a 500-pound load capacity and a 1,500-pound brake limit. While they aren't the strongest ratchets available, the pack of 4 is perfect for weekend hauling that involves smaller equipment and travel distances. The straps have a solid S-hook design that can wrap around most pipes and tie down points. The straps can also hook up to the included bungee cords or soft loops. Number 2. RHINO USA Ratchet Tie-Down Straps 4PK 1823. These RHINO ratchet tie-down straps are sturdy, reliable, and secure. The straps provide up to 1,823 pounds of maximum brake strength to hold nearly anything in place. They also feature anodized material and ergonomic padded handles for a more comfortable grip. Whether you need to hold down a motorcycle, ATV, go-kart, boat, or equipment, the straps are more than capable of getting the job done. The best thing about the straps is their length, and you get 4 for the price of 1. Number 3. Cartman 1x15 Ratchet Straps. The Cartman Ratchet is your typical looking ratchet strap. It's durable and brightly colored, making it easier to see. The strap measures 1 inch wide and 15 feet long, and maximum working capacity of 500 pounds and 1,500 pounds of braking capacity. Best of all, the straps have a smooth and functional retractable ratchet, which makes all the difference when you need to tie down something in a pinch. And when it comes to durability, the straps are sturdy and tough. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, great tie-down strap, look no further. Number 4. RHINO USA Ratchet Straps Motorcycle Tie-Down Kit. With a maximum braking strength of 1,823 pounds, this set of 4 ratchet straps from RHINO USA are perfect for nearly any light or medium-duty moving. As a set, the ratchets can also work together to secure heavier loads like motorcycles and ATV to the back of a truck or trailer, making it easier to stabilize awkward loads without the risk of damage. The straps use a fairly traditional design that includes a short fixed end and a longer adjustable end with padded hooks. Number 5. Camco Heavy-Duty Retractable Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. The Camco Heavy-Duty Retractable Ratchet Tie-Down Straps are your typical product. You don't have to deal with the hassle of long cords, as the strap can be wound up inside the device. The strap can be bolted down to any trailer and is also simple to use with its quick release function. The bolts are heavy-duty as well. They are perfectly designed to be used to hold down boats, motorcycles, ATVs, furniture, and cargo. They have 2,500 pounds of brake strength and 833 pounds of working strength. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.